Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Solo theme, and today we're going to talk about footer container options. And this area also, it's at the bottom in the theme, which it's a region contains sub-regions. So these are the three. This did exist in the old theme, but this option didn't exist in the old theme. So these options are because when you have uh, three uh, regions, you can fill them with one, two, three, or two, or one, or zero. So these are the options you have. So if you have zero and one, zero, we don't care about it. I just make sure that you're not printing anything which is in the theme. And one, it's 100%, so it's going to occupy the whole stage or the whole width. Two is gonna, now you get with two. So what is the option you want? You want the option to be 50-50 or 60-40 or 80-20 or whatever options you're looking for, depend on the content. And this is the options you get here under footer container. These options are they are going to apply to all this region, all these blocks. So when you pick this now, so now I could pick, if you have two, I can have them 50-50. If you have three, if I can have them this, and these are the options if you could choose. And let's play with them now and see. So now I change it now to the three. If you have three, they're gonna be 25, 50, 25. And if I click save and refresh, and this is what you get now. The options are changed because the percentage was changed. So this is the same thing. So let's go. So to test this one, same thing. We're gonna go and maybe disable one of the block on the home page. So the footer, let's do this one. Configure, and we want it to be only on the front. Yeah, so save. And now if we go here, that's the home page. We should see the tree. And if we click on any other page, I should see two. Here is two, and that's the setting we choose for two. So if we go to the setting, here is solo setting here, and you will see the footer container. Here is we choose 75, 75, 25, and 25, 50, 25, and that's what you get here. 25, 50, 25, or not this one, 75, 25. So these are the options related to the layout and percentage and how you want. This option is also, it's nice when you want to control just this region for home page or not home page. You want it on all pages and not home page or something like that. I figured out it's something useful for lots of people. And this one, it's for rounding corners. So by default, I don't know if you can see they're dark here. Let's do this one first. So this one, if you want to apply this one to apply borders. So to add borders here. So let's check this one to see. And I'm disabling this one first. And click save. And I'm refreshing. And this is the border here. You see, this is the border you can apply. It's 1 pixel, and it's set for all the color scheme theme. And now if we check this option, these are adding, they are going to add rounded corners to these borders. So if you check and you refresh, see, that's what's happening here. This is the option for it. And the last option, it's for the animation. And this, if you check this one, if you'd like to have an animation start when the user hover, see now there's nothing. So if I refresh, here is the animation. That's the animation with the pop-up. Actually, they're both together. So that's what you have here. The all the multi-regions or the regions have sub-regions. They've been revamped really and added so many options to them, and to give you just really more option and control over the content. I hope you like this feature. See you in the next one.